To create first a Java program, we need to create a file, and the name of the source file should be like the class name .java. Whatever the class name of that file, that class name is used to naming the file name. As Java is a case sensitive language, so the class name and the file name should be same. Otherwise, the class, when we compile the class, a .class file will generate, and that is same should be to the file. If it is different, then we have to run the file by the name of .class. How to compile the program? By Javac compiler, we compiles the Java code. Javac compiler creates .class file. The syntax is like Javac. Javac is here compiler and class name, then .java. By this, a .class file will be created. Then we run the program. Java application launcher, that is Java, is used to run a program by the syntax Java, then the class name. First we will create a file. We take text document, or we open the file, create a class like a class name. If we write the class name, then it should be saved with the hello. Here we have created a function, main function method. In the main method, we will write the print function. Hello. By this program, hello will be printed. Here class is the keyword, hello is identifier, public is access specifier, static is used to create this calling the function without creating any object. Void says that main method does not return any value. A string is a class argument. It says argument of a string type. System is again a class. Out is a output stream. Println shows that the statement will be printed as it is. How to save this file? Just by the class name hello.java. See here, a class is, this file is formed Java file. Here it is showing the type of the file, Java file. Now we will compile this file. We have to give the path of this file first, then cd in the Java folder. It comes in Java folder. Then we write the command javac, that is compiler, name of class name hello.java. See here, .class is formed. Now we can run this file. Here the output is shown. Now in detail we will learn that what are the parts of this program. Class is a keyword. This is used to explain that we are creating a class. After that we write Hello is an identifier, that is the name of the class. Then we started and closed the curly braces to define the body of the class. From main method, program execution will begin, and that main method is called by the JVM. So if we do not write main method, then the program will compile but it will not execute. Public keyword is an access specifier, because the main method is called from the outside of this main method by the JVM. So it should be public for the main method. Static is a keyword which allows main method to be called without having to be instantiated. As main method is called in the first time and without object it should be called, that's why we use a static. Void is a keyword that tells the compiler that main method does not return any value. Without main method, compiler can compile the class but cannot execute. A string argument is an argument and an array of instances of the class string. System.out.println, this line prints the string hello, or any string we give in the parameters is printed as it is. System is a class that provides access to the system, and out is the output stream, which is to be forwarded to be printed. Keep watching, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.